Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Thank you very much. I hope that you are all very well. Alhamdulillah, I am also very fine. Next fact is that, dear friend, you know very well that vocabulary is the foundation of English. For doing anything special in English, we have to enrich our vocabulary. We have to make our word store very strong. For this reason, we have to practice synonyms more and more. Let's practice a word. Let's practice the synonyms of a word, that is abide by. In Bangla, মেনে চলা, অনুসরণ করা, follow, observe, comply with. We can make a sentence, dear friends. Students are abiding by the rules of the school to make themselves prepared for taking part in the coming examination. We can also make another sentence. We have to abide by the rules of Islam to perform the duties commanded by Almighty Allah, to seek the pleasure of Allah. Another sentence we can make: we must abide by the rules of our society to ensure peace and harmony in our social life. So, dear friends, I hope that you are enjoying English practice with me in my channel, my YouTube channel, English Practice with Selim Reza, and with the same name, my Facebook page, English Practice with Selim Reza. And I am very happy, and again I welcome you. I am thankful to you for your very good support to me. Thank you very much.